and welcome to the Cherokee Titan Outlet Store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 2008 New Holland BR7090 with 12,000 bales of use. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This BR7090 features a variable bale chamber that produces 5 by 6 foot round bales, and it's equipped with a wide mega tooth pickup with dual gauge wheels, along with endless belts, fastinet, and a hydraulic bale tensioner. Thank you for viewing this 2008 New Holland BR7090. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-866-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.